Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Daddy Easy here. Going to do this video really quick because my camera is getting over hot and I don't want it to cut off on you guys. So yeah. A lot of questions I've been getting asked was about the Z Fold 6. How do I like it compared towards my iPhone 17 Pro and my Galaxy Note 20, but let me move some of these notifications off this phone so I can just show you guys some of the info. Okay, so my iPhone 17 Pro, not the Max, just the 17 Pro. I know y'all like the skin. That's actually a skin. That's not a case. It's the skin. All right. Um, compared towards this, I got to get a plan for this. All right. I've been trying to go around find plans. I don't want to put this on Metro. I don't want to put this on Boost. I don't want to put this on Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, none of that stuff, because the simple fact is I just need the line just for basically internet and just the simple calls. This is just going to be the I just need a line just for internet service, basically, for that. Not even mostly for calls, but just something to make calls, something like that. This phone, I've been going, and this is literally the first phone I've had that I've went without having a freaking screen protector or a case for it. I have a case coming tomorrow. I ordered from AliExpress. It took about 6 days, but it's coming tomorrow. But you can see that crease in here. It doesn't bother me. People talk about the crease. It doesn't bother me. I don't see the crease even when I'm outside and I'm walking. I literally don't see any of this crap when I'm using this. I just love using this thing. It's fun. I got everything set up to turn my lights off and on. Like look at that. I got everything set up. I have everything to turn everything off and on, like all my lights and stuff. I don't want to hit the button because it'll turn off my it'll turn off all my lights and stuff like that. But if I do this, I do this. Let me see, turn this off, turn that off, curtains. I got my TV on in the background, but just doing everything from my phone, just like that. LifeX, curtains, like everything is on. Oh, and this backlight right here, TV backlight. There we go. Everything from my phone. I love it. Like I didn't think I was gonna like it, because one, I do have Android phones. Y'all know I've always did hacks for Androids and iPhones, but I don't know. I was going to buy the Z Fold 5 because it would have been a lot cheaper, but look at this. I love this thing, man. Like, I need to put a plan on here. Like, I've just been having fun with this thing. I do need to get a screen protector. I did scratch up the screen a little bit because it's been in my pocket. This is the first time I've ever went with a phone without any protection. I never went without protection. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I've been going with this naked. I do have a case coming. I gotta go online and order me a screen protector, and I gotta get me a pouch to keep this out of my pocket, because currently I walk around with two phones, which is these two right here, and this is my main phone right here. But I've been rocking with this because this sucker is dumb loud when it comes towards playing music. I've been having fun with everything with this thing, like from music to playing video games to browsing the internet. Because even with this, I still sit here and use this screen right here, and I still have my swipe overs like that, and to access my stuff with YouTube and stuff. I just love the fact that I can literally just click on YouTube, hit my finger right here, have it unlocked with my face or my fingerprint, um, have everything like that. Then when I want to go full screen, open this bad boy up, boom. If I want a bigger screen, turn it to the side like that. Like how big that just went. 4 towels like that. Just give you everything else extra like that. When I'm watching videos, I do it like this. And because I have stuff curved, I like curve it in like that half of the time. Or sometimes I'm like this, I might curve it in like that just to get that crazy look. Like it's two phones in one. So I'll actually leave it like that, bent like that, and just scroll like that, and it just look like two phones in one. Like, I'm happy with this. People keep asking me, why don't I just upgrade to the Z Fold 7? I don't care about a bigger screen. To be honest, I like the way how this look. I don't need a bigger screen. I have huge hands. It's just the fact that I literally could just get to everything quick and just tap on everything really fast so I can get to where I want to get at with everything. It's just, I don't know why, but this smaller screen, the Z Fold 5, I was not really interested in it because of the curve off like that, and it just made the screen look like way too small than what it's supposed to be. This is perfect for me. I've been rocking with it outside, chilling with it. I don't care if it's like a few inches smaller, if you can see that. It's just a few inches smaller, like right there. I don't mind it. I don't care. It's fun. I'm using it. I sit in bed and use this. I watch movies on this at times. Normally, I use my iPad to watch movies and things like that. And I watch YouTube videos, like even when I'm recording. Like my other video I did, what video I did? I forgot what video I did. I used this for my DJI camera to see what's happening on the screen. Same thing with my Sony camera. Everything set up, which I got to do, set this up on the phone for the Sony camera also. So I got to set that up also. But yeah, I loved it. Like when I'm going in the DJI app and I got my camera hooked up with the pocket, I can literally sit here and have this on my little tripod thing right there on my stand that I normally have for my iPad. The reason why I'm using this compared to my iPad is because on my iPad I have to keep going to settings to change it because it keeps getting flipped up when you for some weird reason when you use the DJI app, it just flips everything upside down. This one, if it gets flipped, I can just flip it that way. And actually this one doesn't even, I don't even have to flip it. And plus I have decks on here, so even when I'm watching videos, I could be like in a video and just, let me try to show this real quick. I can like literally be in a video. I can literally bend it like this and have like a little touch part like that and watch it like that and just leave it on the thing and watch the videos like this. Or if I want, just put it completely on the table or leave it sitting up like that and just, it's useful. I never thought I was going to need a fold phone, but I actually came to the conclusion that I need it. So this was a big buy for me. Got it real cheap. I'll put the link in the description for you guys so you can actually buy it from the same seller. Brand spanking new. No scratches, no dents, no whatever. I actually accidentally scratched up the screen. It's not bad scratches, just like minor small little scratch, deal for it being in my pocket and not having no type of screen protector on it. But other than that, perfect. 110%, no scratches, no dings, no nothing. I tested everything works. So I just got to test it out and make sure that it's fully unlocked. I have 30 days, so I'm gonna try to put a carry on this thing and like real quick. It's thin, really thin. It's not a Z Fold 7. It's the next thing. The reason why I didn't buy the Z Fold 7 is, one, I didn't need a bigger screen, and it loses S Pen. It loses the X Pen feature, so I didn't want to lose that. So I just stayed with this and just brought this. It works for me. I'm happy with it. I got all the screen protector, and I got a case coming in tomorrow. So yeah. That being said, I'll put the link in the description, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. All right, that's it, and I'm out. Deuces, long purse.